In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Cloudflare error 523 origin unreachable. This error can be incredibly frustrating because it means your website isn't connecting to the server properly, which can lead to downtime and a poor experience for your users. Thankfully, fixing this issue doesn't have to be overly complicated. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through the process to troubleshoot and resolve this error. By the end of this video, you'll have your website back up and running. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your Cloudflare dashboard. You can do this by heading over to -cloudlibrary.com and entering your login credentials. Once you're logged in, locate the domain that's showing the error 523. You'll want to click on that domain to open its settings. Next, navigate to the DNS tab. This is where we'll confirm that your DNS records are set up correctly. Look for the A record or C name that's associated with your domain. Double-check that it's pointing to the correct server IP address. If the IP address is outdated or incorrect, you'll need to update it to the current server IP. This is crucial because an incorrect IP address is one of the most common causes of this error. While you're in the DNS tab, make sure the orange cloud icon is enabled for any records that should be proxied through Cloudflare. This ensures that Cloudflare is actively managing traffic for those records. If the cloud icon is gray, click on it to turn it orange. Now, let's move to the security section within Cloudflare. Under Security, go to the WAF, which stands for Web Application Firewall, and open the firewall rules. Take a close look at the rules you have in place. Sometimes overly strict rules can block legitimate traffic, causing a 523 error. If you notice any rules that may be targeting your main URL or common user agents, consider either disabling them temporarily or adjusting their sensitivity. Next, still under the Security section, check your rate limiting settings. If rate limiting is too aggressive, it can inadvertently block normal traffic and contribute to the error. Either reduce the sensitivity or disable rate limiting while you troubleshoot. Additionally, if bot fight mode is enabled, try disabling it for the time being. Certain bot protection measures can sometimes block valid requests. After making these adjustments, test your site to see if the issue is resolved. If you're still having trouble, it's time to look at the DDoS protection settings. Under the Security tab, go to the DDoS section. Here, you can adjust the protection levels. If these settings are too aggressive, they can interfere with normal traffic. Dial them back slightly and test your site again to check if the error has cleared. Now, let's move over to the SSL TLS settings. In the SSL TLS section, open the Overview tab. It's important to make sure the SSL mode matches what your server supports. If your origin server has a valid SSL certificate, use the full or full strict mode for maximum security. If your server doesn't support SSL, you'll need to use flexible mode instead. Choosing the incorrect SSL mode can cause connectivity issues, so double-check this setting carefully. Next, go to the Caching section and open the Configuration tab. Here, you'll see an option to purge everything. Click this to clear all cached content. Doing this forces Cloudflare to fetch fresh data from your origin server, which can help resolve any lingering issues. Finally, after making each of these changes, test your site to see if the error is resolved. This step is critical because it allows you to pinpoint which adjustment fixed the issue. If the problem persists, go back through the steps to ensure everything is set up correctly. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Cloudflare error 523 origin unreachable and get your website back online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.